13-inch MacBook Air model A1369. Solid-state disk replacement. This applies to year 2010 and 2011. Make sure that the Mac is completely shut down. Close the lid, flip it over. We'll be removing the 10 screws that are securing the back panel to the unit. We're going to need a proprietary Apple's star-shaped pentalobe screwdriver bit. Starting in the top left corner, remove the small screw first. Now, the next two screws in the center up top are slightly longer than the rest of the screws. Just keep an eye on them. Once you remove them, set them aside and remove the remaining 8 screws. With the screws out of the way, go ahead and gently lift up on the back panel and move it out of the way. Locate the battery connection, lift it by its tab and wiggle it left to right as you pull on it. Right above the battery connector is the solid-state disk. It's secured with one T5 screw. Go ahead and remove that T5 screw. Now gently lift up the solid-state disk from the back at an angle, tilt it, and then rock it back and forward as you pull it out. Reassembly. Pop the SSD in to the slot. It's keyed, so it can only go in one way. Rock it back and forward as you insert it, then drop it. Make sure that the hole aligns, and then secure it with a T5 screw. Gently reinsert the battery back into its socket on the logic board. Make sure it's firmly in. Place the cover back and secure the cover with the 10 screws. Put in the 2 longer screws and the top middle first, and then you can screw in the remaining 8 screws that are shorter. This concludes this tutorial. I hope you found it very helpful.